What's good, YouTube? We gonna go do a car little POV drive, late night drive, and we finna go do what is it? We gonna go to the gas station and see how much it costs to fill up my car type shit. We gonna do a POV drive, late night drive. Then we gonna do how much it costs to fill up my car. All in one video, cause we don't bullshit, you feel me? Y'all boys. Anyways, like I was saying, do me a favor, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that good shit. Y'all know how it is. Turn y'all post notifications on too for when I do post and have a new video up for y'all boys. Alright though, y'all boys be safe. Yo, all good. Oh shit. All good, YouTube. I'm doing a little car vlog. I need to go to the gas station though, no bullshit. Sideways. That big ass sideways. Anyways though, I had just dropped another video. Tight shit. But yeah, this just a little drive and talk. How y'all boys doing? Let me put the window down a little. Alright, put the window down a little. Staying on their brakes. I got the slide in there, bitch. No cap. Why it's so dark outside too, but I'm talking about no type lights for real. Where the street lights and shit at? No cap. That motherfucker got no type of street lights on this road, man. But like shit. Whatever though. What y'all boys do today, man? It's Sunday when I'm recording this, like what time? Sunday 8 o'clock. Sunday at 8 o'clock, man. That shit sound like it got a little whine though. Well, I'm chicken. Oh shit. Know what I'm saying? If you hear, you hear. If you don't, you don't. Yeah, I'm losing gas by the second, nigga. I swear, when you losing gas, bro, just go ahead and put that bitch in normal default mode, bro, and just take your time with the driving, bro. You do not need to be doing too much. But shit, you see that? Yes, sir. Calm little drive. On my YouTube shit. Calm little drive. Let's see. I'll see what the angle look like. Y'all straight. I do a POV talk video, no talking, no nothing like that. I need to fuel up bad. We at the red light with it. Turn green, I start spinning this bitch, no cap. Oh shit, boy, that's how you slide, nigga. We get sideways every time. Now we gotta go. Pull up. Ooh, look at that. That Dodge. That shit look hard as fuck. He took off. Go ahead. Let me go ahead and put some gas on this motherfucker, man. Alright, let's see how much it costs to fill up the goddamn gas tank. Approved. Oh, what, nigga? Definitely. Let me put my number real quick. Hold on. Huh, save your number. Save that shit, boy. Take 89. Alright, we gonna see how much it takes to fill this car up. Hold on. Hold on. We're gonna see how much it takes to fill this car up. Came through slides today. So, you know what I'm saying? I don't got nothing too crazy on. Some funky shit. I'm gonna say 46 in gas. $35. Oh, I lied. That shit way better. Oh, it might. I don't know. 40. Okay. 42. Alright, now 44. 45, 46. Okay. Damn it, right on the fucking point, man. Ooh. Alright. Now they say weird holding the camera and shit, but it be like that, you know what I'm saying? Printing receipt not printing, it's okay. Alright. It be looking good as fuck right here. Alright. You know what I'm saying? Seatbelt on, man. Put your fucking seatbelt on, man. Mute this music. Ain't nobody trying to hear that shit. Huh? The radio, nigga. Alright. I'm tripping. Let me take traction off, nigga. Or sport mode traction. We don't drive with traction on, nigga. We get the slide in that bit. This nigga not coming. Oh. We get the slide in that bit. This nigga gonna smack my shit though. YouTube. Man, we pretty much here, man. I appreciate y'all boys for watching this little video. We gonna end it over here though. I'm not gonna say please, fuck that, nigga. Y'all boys better like, comment, and subscribe. What the fuck? No cap. I ain't playing that shit. Deadass. No, I'm just playing. Alright, y'all boys be safe. Huncho out.